Got the KFX running. It's got a brand new valve cover gasket, new shims, new valves, everything else. Something's with the carburetor still, but you know, I'm gonna set y'all down here. I'm trying to start this thing up. Hey guys, KFX 400 here. I've done some work to it since y'all have seen it. It's got a new Tusk bars, and I got this Kawasaki bar pad for it. So we move these switches down here. Yeah, oil tank's back on. We'll see if it leaks oil still. And right now, yeah, it's leaking fuel. No clue why. Why is it doing this? Guess let's try it. Let's grab a screwdriver. My desk is a mess, and here's a mess right now. Grab a screwdriver. Alright, I hope it starts because I don't have anybody that can get me. I'll pick y'all back up whenever it does start.